Hello friends, it's a competition, Cars against Hot Wheels. Today we will see the competition of two trucks. Mack will fight for cars. Truck Hot Wheels will fight for Hot Wheels team. And the sheriff is the main judge of the competition. Look how many fans Mack has. Hot Wheels has no less fans.
First competition is for agility. It's absolutely necessary to pass the track without knocking down any hurdles.
Mack is ready on start. He has unhooked his trailer. Okay, it doesn't contradict the rules of the game. Passing the track, well done. Truck Hot Wheels is ready. Interesting passing of the track.
Mack has won this competition.
Hey, yes. Score is 1 versus 0 for cars.
In the second part of our competition, we are going to check the carrying capacity of the trucks. The one who will be able to carry more cars will win.
So first is Mack. How many cars may he take? Chico is going inside, but for Sally there is no place. Only one car got into Mack. So let's check Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels is able to take cool cars.
Truck Hot Wheels has won. He took more cars than Mack.
The score has become even. 1 versus 1. And in front of us is the third part of the competition, and we will see who is stronger. It will be a real race. Mack and Hot Wheels are ready on start. Ready, steady, go! Mack has put it ahead, and he had unhooked his trailer and left it on the track. Behind the track, there is Hot Wheels running. He's crashing into the trailer and stopping. Mack has finished the first.
In this competition, Mack won.
The score has become 2 versus 1. Cars won this competition. Hurrah! Okay friends, subscribe to our channel and don't miss no videos.
See you. Bye.